Hi everyone! So today I'll teach you how to make the best brownies you have ever eaten. So let's get started. So when we talk about the ingredients, first we have 3 eggs. So I'll show you, I can't show you, 3 eggs. And then we have 200 grams of chocolate. So this is cooking chocolate. And then we have 115 grams of butter and half cup of flour, half cup of white sugar, and we need half cup of brown sugar as well. And then we need some vanilla and a little bit of salt and coffee. So the secret ingredient in these brownies are coffee actually. So the first thing we have to do is mix the white sugar with brown sugar and add eggs one by one. Then mix until the sugar is dissolved. Next we have to melt the butter and the chocolate together. Then add some coffee and vanilla extract and also salt. And finally, take cocoa powder and flour and mix all the wet ingredients with the dry ingredients. And finally, take your baking tray, add the baking paper, add the mixture, and then put it to the oven for 200 degrees Celsius for 30 minutes.